Good morning, YouTube. Stats Lawn Care here. It's Tuesday morning. Yesterday was Monday. We didn't work. Rained all day. So we're far behind, but we're gonna grind it out today. Today we got Caleb and Jackson. But so yeah, we have 18 on the list, but I think we're only gonna get about 10 done because I'm gonna call it a day pretty early. But I'm gonna go record Jackson mowing this backyard. So see you guys.
Dude.
Okay guys, what's up? We just finished that one. Now we're heading on to the mulch job that we just did on Saturday. I forgot my camera, didn't record it, that kind of sucks, but I do have before and after pictures. I'll put them in right here. Alright guys, so that was your before and afters, and here's a close-up now. We had a storm a few days ago, yesterday, so now there's all the leaves in it and stuff, so that kind of sucks. I'll blow it out, but yeah, looks good. Way better than before. But I'll record Jackson mowing here. I don't think I have before. So yeah guys, enjoy this mowing. Jackson, you want to say good morning?
Good morning, people. Wait, okay, you can chill.
Alright guys, finished up here. I got the beds all blown out from the leaves and stuff. And I fluffed some mulch that got washed out from the rain from yesterday. But yeah guys, we're done here. Pick up the next one. See you then. Alright guys, so we just pulled up here. You've seen it. Enjoy this mowing. Alright guys, what's up? We just finished up, or the boys are in the back finishing up this one. You guys have seen it. I figured I recorded 3 out of 3 yards, so the 4th yard I'm not going to record. Probably won't record the next one, but I will soon record. But yeah guys, so this is our 4th one of the day, and it's 10:30, so about 2 hours we've been working, 2.5 hours, so that's not bad. But guys, we have 18 scheduled, but I think I'm going to push like 6 or 7 of them into tomorrow, because Wednesday is a built-in rain day, as I told you guys, so we can get those done tomorrow. But we're definitely getting Monday's route done today. So yeah guys, but we're gonna grind it out. So see you guys in a little bit.
Dude, honestly.
What would you do?
Why you don't mow lawns?
Yeah, that's why.
Oh,
that's why
you want me to tell the viewers?
No. All right, guys, what's up? We're at this little shop right here. We're gonna get it mowed up. Oh, you got a big nose.
Stop. I thought you were gonna say 10.
All right, guys. So yeah.
He ate my donut holes.
Let's grind this one out. I'll record the front or back, Jackson. Which one?
Oh, I don't know. So this scene, you donut hole stealer.
I'll record the front. Actually, I want to record the back.
Wow.
Enjoy this. Hey! What'd you guys just do, Jackson?
What
happened?
Mow the backyard.
Oh, you gonna mow the back, Jackson? Rip. Alright guys, we just pull up to this one. I'm not gonna record here, because I've probably recorded like 8 yards now, but yeah guys. After this one, we got one more and we're grabbing lunch. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, I'm pumped at that last yard. So the neighbor, she came out. She wanted a quote. She was okay with it, picked her up. So she's a bi-weekly. Every Monday when we're over there, we're just gonna do hers too. And as we were pulling off, it's kind of funny. These two ladies in a car, they pulled up and they were like, "Hey, I'm not satisfied with my lawn guy. How much do you charge?" And so I told them, and they gave me their addresses and stuff. So I'm gonna go check that out. But that's funny. I just got 3 people from just sitting at that 1 yard. That's hilarious. But so maybe we'll get those other 2. And then she says she has another friend who's not satisfied either. So with her lawn guy. So I'll see what's up. I'm gonna go by their house after this. One of them lives in this neighborhood, one lives like a mile down the road, and I'll check it out, give them a quote. But so yeah guys, it's pretty awesome. But now we're at this one. I just edged it. They're weeding and mowing, but this one's quick and easy. And after this, we're taking a lunch. Then we're just gonna do 2 more after lunch. It's the 2 big ones in my neighborhood, and then we're gonna call it a day because it's pretty hot today, very humid. So we're gonna finish. So we finished yesterday's route today. So tomorrow we're gonna do today's route, which is Tuesday's route. So tomorrow we'll have like 6 or 7. Well, 7 because we're doing 2 today. So we would have 9 normally. We're gonna have 7. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, guys, just wanted to update you. Just got 3 customers, pretty much. It's pretty cool. But so yeah, guys, I will see you later. Peace out.
Turning her.
Yeah, you can do that if you want. Caleb excited.
Yes.
He gets to use a 0 turn.
Yeah. Hey.
So guys, we pulled up to this yard. I've never recorded the front, but I don't know where I would put the camera if I did. Well, they can't see it very well. I could put it across on the curb.
No.
I don't know, guys. Maybe I'll figure it out. Well, if you guys see mowing, you'll know I figured it out.
Donate money to my Patreon.
Jackson's starting a GoFundMe.
Yeah, I'm starting a GoFundMe.
He's taking a mission trip to Haiti to help people this summer.
I just want money, so
So donate. I'll put the link in the description.
If I don't get $1,000 by the end of this month,
so guys,
that's gonna be bad news for you,
we're
buddies.
gonna roll the camera. So okay, guys, sorry I did not record there. Kind of forgot. We needed to get done, but we're at the last yard of the day. We're calling it a day after this one, and then we'll have like 8 or 9 tomorrow. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna record the front. So enjoy this. All right, guys, what's up? Hope you enjoyed that mowing. We're done for the day. That's like 12 in the books. Jackson, you happy?
Yeah, because we were gonna have our yard, but now we don't have to. So
yeah, guys, we're gonna mow our yard tomorrow or something. But so yeah, we're done for the day. Tomorrow we're gonna be me, Jackson, Carlos. So yeah,
Carlos,
we're gonna grind it out. So peace out, guys. See you in tomorrow's vlog.
see you, Carlos. And tomorrow's like, whoa, yo, zooming on me. Woo! I have pimples on my nose.
Peace out, guys.
Peace out.